Let's say you want one scene here for your OBS Twitch stuff, but then you want a different, profile for maybe, your YouTube streaming in OBS. You can have different scenes and different, selections here and everything, which is kind of cool. But let's go ahead and just set this up as if I'm going to use it right here for my Twitch streams in OBS Studio here, okay? Now, what you want to do is I'm going to go ahead and just put a scene on here, right? Now, this is where it could get a little bit complicated. I'm going to put that in quotes because it's truly not that hard to set up for your average end user, okay? To utilize this, you have to use OBS's WebSocket, okay? And it's not hard to do. Matter of fact, if you use any kind of scene switcher software on your phone, you have to do the same thing. It's not hard to set up. We're going to go through that right now here, okay, folks? All you have to do is this here, okay? You want to go up to Tools. You want to click on WebSocket Server Settings. Now, normally enable authentication might actually be enabled, but for this tutorial here, I'm going to go ahead and just leave this here unchecked to make the whole setup a lot more streamlined here, okay? Now, in order to get your connection info to plug into that app, all you got to do is this here, click Show Connect Info, and then you want to go ahead and copy the server IP. It says best guess, that is what it is. So go ahead and just hit the little copy button, go back to your FIFINE software here, click the little icon, and then where it says server IP, just paste that in. Server port is going to be the same. Now all you have to do is click connect, and then as you can see, it immediately connects to OBS via the WebSocket, which is again totally fine. You got to do that same procedure for a lot of other apps out there, so this should be okay. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and call this one here starting soon, and I'm going to go ahead and say scene starting soon. I'm going to go ahead and drag another one on here for my, I'm going to say be right back. I'm going to just call this here BRB. Then same thing, another scene. Then I shall call this here, I guess my live scene here. Okay, so live. Now I'm going to go ahead and enable the preview here, folks. I'm going to just give it a shot here. Okay, this is starting soon. Be right back. And there's my live scene. I normally have my webcam on here, but I'm using it in this other instance here. So there's that, okay?